This video is sponsored by Blue Lagoon Resources. More about them later. What is up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video we're talking about gold. I want to put a warning out there to all of the gold stackers, gold investors, really anyone who's buying physical gold, because there's a specific type that is not very good for stacking and investing. I know there's a lot of people out there who are brand new to precious metals, so I'm putting this video out for them. And if you're a more seasoned stacker, definitely stick around because there's lots of info in this video that I compiled together, doing an in-depth look at the different types of gold you could be buying and what's the best. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so what is this type of gold that you should not be buying for stacking or investing? Now, I've done several videos like this in the past, but in none of them did I do quite such a deep dive into the subject. We're going to be going over some numbers. I'm going to be showing you some photos, exactly what not to buy, but also why you should not be buying it, and I'll explain in detail. So let's dive in. This is a 1 ounce gold bar for sale over at SD Bullion. As I'm filming, the spot price is right around $1,815. Now, if you wanted to purchase one of these bars, it would run you right about $1,875, which gives this a $60 premium. This is a really good option for stacking gold. This is a 1 gram gold bar, and it's not the smallest gold bar that you can get, but it is a very popular size. However, it's not very good for stacking. Now, before I go any farther, I do need to explain something. 1 troy ounce is equal to 31.1 grams. And all precious metals are weighed in troy ounces. So that means it would take 31.1 of these 1 gram gold bars to equal a 1 ounce gold bar. All right, let's get back to it. A 1 gram gold bar will run you $72.43. And by the way, these are the cheapest 1 gram and 1 ounce gold bars I could find on SD Bullion's website. So which is a better deal? If we break down the numbers, here's what we get. Currently, a 1 ounce gold bar costs $1,875 with a $60 premium, or 3.3% over spot. To obtain 1 ounce of gold this way, it will cost you a $60 premium. A 1 gram gold bar costs $72.43, or a $14.07 premium, or 24% over spot. And to obtain 1 ounce of gold buying the 1 gram gold bars, you will pay a total of $438 in a premium. Obviously, when you're buying physical gold for stacking or investing, you want to get the lowest premium possible. So do you just have to stay away from the little 1 gram gold bars and you're home free? Actually, no. This price gouging for smaller or more fractional pieces of gold applies to every single type. This is a list of the current premiums on the gold maples and the new gold eagles. Now, the premiums listed are the total price you would pay if you were to buy enough coins to get you to an ounce. For example, on the maple leafs, one 1 ounce maple currently has a $100 premium. The cumulative premium on 2 1/2 ounce maples is $200. 4 1/4 ounce maples is $308, and 10 1/10 ounce maples is $617. The new gold eagles have a very similar premium structure, and I basically just look at this as the smaller the coin, the higher the premium. I know what some of you are thinking, and that is, what if I go the other way and just buy a massive piece of gold? This has to have the smallest premium, right? This is the cheapest 1 kilo gold bar I could find on SD Bullion. The price is right around $59,500, and the premium per ounce over spot is $35. Yes, it is true. The bigger you get, the smaller the premium will be, but those big gold bars are very hard to liquidate, and who has 60 grand to throw at a bar anyway? So the best size for stacking or investing in gold is the 1 ounce size. The 1 gram gold bars are absolutely terrible for stacking and investing, but there actually is something worse than them, and we will talk about that in a moment. But first, I want to talk about a different way you can invest in gold by buying gold mining stocks. I am so excited to talk about Blue Lagoon Resources because just 5 days ago, they began to produce gold. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's go check in with the CEO, Rana.
This is probably one of the most exciting days of my life. This is what we've been working so hard for. This rock is going to turn in that mill into gold.
Wow, that is so cool to see, and the gold that they're currently processing is 6,000 tons of mineralized material, which was piled up at its project when they purchased it. Even more exciting than this is that they have cleared the regulatory hurdles and they are ready to go into production at Dome Mountain. Blue Lagoon will be the only gold company in the world to commence a gold mine in August, but it gets even more exciting than that. The company's shares are near its all-time low, so this is the best risk reward in the company's history. They have no debt, and their founder and CEO just bought more shares. Probably one of the most exciting things about Blue Lagoon is that 90% of their property has never been drilled. They have just began a 20,000 meter drill program, which is the largest ever conducted on the property. This is a major catalyst. It is very rare for junior mining companies to actually go into production, so the potential for Blue Lagoon is enormous. If you want to check out Blue Lagoon Resources for yourself and see if they're right for you and your portfolio, I will put some links down below in the description. Investing in mining companies is obviously more risky than just buying physical gold. However, there is that potential upside, which could be exponential compared to just the value of your gold going up. So it is very important to do your own due diligence when it comes to these companies. Now, let's get back to this stuff right here. What could be worse than wasting hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in premiums on small fractional gold? Well, you could be buying something like this. What's wrong with this Krugerrand, you might ask? It's totally fake. Check that out. A magnetic gold coin is a fake gold coin. The best way to avoid buying fake gold coins is to only buy from reputable dealers, such as a local coin shop that tests all of their gold, or an online bullion dealer like SD Bullion, who I showed earlier in the video. There are many different ways of testing your gold coins to see if they're real or if they're fake, and I'll be doing a video on that shortly, so if you want to see it, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Again, if you want more info about Blue Lagoon Resources, those links will be down below in the description. And the last thing I want to say is just a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.